Hello everyone, this is Anderson here. I'm Vincent. Our company has been committed to the development and production of metal machine equipped and intelligent CNC products. Today I will introduce our company VMC, and at present the hottest equipment of our company is the 3X Vertical Machine Center. This is a detailed picture. You can look it at first. The most customer attention is AR VMC. It's 115. Its worktable size is 1000 by 500, which can make the production of a small workpiece to the greatest extent. The quotational max model of this equipment is 1200 by 600. Of course, we can manufacture equipment according to customer needs. According to different needs, the 3X vertical machine center can be equipment with force and 5X. So if you have any question, you can contact with